डस्टर किधर गया? इसको तो हाथ में ही पकड़, डस्टर इधर है। कौन कौन है सर? वो यहाँ पे देखना पड़ेगा पार्टिसिपेंट्स में। शौनक और वेदांती है। हेलो हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून। हेलो हेलो, वेदांती, साइली नहीं आली? गुड आफ्टरनून। शुरू करते हैं सर, है ना? बच्चों को हेलो, नहीं कोई बात नहीं सर।
मैम उस वो मार्कर खराब है, दूसरा वाला खाली वो एक्चुअली वो जाम हो गई ना उसमें।
ओके,
हाँ
ब्लू ले लूं?
ब्लू दे दीजिए, ब्लैक भी है।
सर ये
सॉरी
मेरा शेड्यूल आप इवनिंग में रख सकते हैं क्या?
हाँ
इवनिंग में सर शेड्यूल इवनिंग में, इसमें शॉक करंट आता है इसमें, अभी करंट आया।
देखना पड़ेगा मैम मुझे से एक बार।
हाँ सर,
शेड्यूल में कर दूंगा।
चेंज अगर कर सकते हैं तो।
नहीं श्योर मैम, मैं कर देता हूँ। एक्चुअली मैं अभी गांव से आया हूँ।
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, कोई ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जब तक सेट ना हो पूरा, लेट अस कंटिन्यू विद दिस, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। जैसे भी एक बार फाइनल हो जाए तब हम डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शंस। ओके, in 10th standard you have learned trigonometric functions of acute angles of a right angle triangle. Means you know the trigonometric functions up to 90 degrees, from 0 to 90. Now we'll see trigonometric functions for angles more than 90 degree, means pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, etc. So you know, if we'll consider unit circle, let us consider unit circle means what? Circle having radius 1 unit. Unit circle means circle having radius 1 unit. If this is a circle having radius 1 unit, and this x radian be the central angle, then this will be 1 and this will be 1. Okay, because the radius of the circle is 1. Okay, so if you will consider this unit circle in coordinate system, just like with center at origin, a circle having its center at origin, O is the center of the circle, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis. If x is the radius of the circle and let p be any point on the circle, now this point is in coordinate system, so it may be having, see, coordinates of p is ab. What do you see as a unit circle? Circle having radius 1 unit. Then if this is x, then this arc, Suppose this is A, and this arc AP. This arc AP will be S is equal to R theta, you know. So R theta means R is 1 and your theta is X radian. So X. So this will be X. Okay. Then if this point has coordinates AB, then what will be this length? This length will be X coordinate. You may see it as a, this is A because this is in this triangle PMO. OM is the X coordinate of P and PM is the Y coordinate of P. So PM will be B. Okay. Then by Pythagoras theorem, what you will say? In triangle PMO by Pythagoras, what you will say? A square plus B square is equal to 1. ऊपर लिखती हूँ मैं. A square plus B square is equal to 1. Now this is right angle triangle because PM is perpendicular to N. Then what you will say about sin X? Sin X is equal to B by opposite to hypotenuse. So sin X will be PM upon OP. So what will be the value of sin X? Sin X will be B. And what will be value of cos X? What this cos X will be adjacent to hypotenuse. Ratio of that you already know in 10th standard, you already studied OM upon OP, that is A by 1 means A. Now this A will be cos square X plus sin square X is equal to 1. This is the result that you already know. Cos square X plus sin square X is equal to 1. Now if this is point B, then this angle will be, complete circle will be 2 pi. You know, complete one revolution is, meridian measure is 2 pi. है ना? One complete revolution is equal to 2 pi. One complete rotation is 2 pi. है ना? Complete one. Then this is 1/4. Angle AOB is equal to pi by 2. This angle AOB is equal to pi by 2. Now suppose, and this, now suppose this OP is brought close, and it will be, when it coincides with OA, then this angle will be 0. है ना? Then your, what will be your cos X? Cos X will be OP is equal to OA. Then your cos 0 will be, what is the value of cos 0? If this OP and OA coincides, if OP and OA coincides, then X is equal to 0, radian or degree, whatever it is. X will be 0. Radian. Then what will be your value of cos X? Your cos X will be OA upon OP. है ना? OM upon OP. Your cos X is OM upon OP. Yeah, that in that case that will be OA. Then that will be 1. So cos of 0 is equal to 1. You know? हाँ? क्या? वेटिंग में है कोई? ओके साइड इज इन वेटिंग. ओके. Again this OM is brought closer. Then your sin 0 will be 0. Okay. Sin 0 will be 0. Cos 0 is equal to 0. then your cos pi by 2 will be 0, sin pi by 2 will be 1. Then comes your half revolution, this quadrantal angle, pi by 2, cos pi will be -1 and sin pi will be 0. Then comes here this angle, complete this angle. This will be 3 pi by 2. Here it is pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 and 1, 0, again 2 pi. Then again 2 pi plus pi means 5 pi by 2. So, like this, pi by 2 add हो जाता है इसमें. So sin pi will be 0. Then your cos 3 pi by 2. Then comes your 3 pi by 2. That will be 0. 1, 0, -1, 0. Then sin 3 pi by 2 will be -1. Sin 3 pi by 2 will be -1. Then your cos 2 pi will be, cos pi कितना है -1. Then cos 2 pi will be 1. And sin 2 pi will be 0. जब cos 1 है sin 0 है, जब cos 0 है sin 1 0 -1 0 1 1 0 1 0 -1 0. This repeats again. If you add pi by 2 to this, 2 pi plus pi by 2 कितना आएगा आपका 5 pi by 2. Then cos 5 pi by 2 will be 0. This much angle 5 pi by 2 है ना. फिर उसमें अगर आप pi by 2 ऐड करोगे तो that will be 3 pi आएगा. So then comes your 3 pi. So that will be cos 5 pi by 2 कितना आएगा आपका, यहाँ तक ही दिख रहा है ना, तो यहाँ तक ये भी दिखाई दिया आपको. तो 2 pi में pi by 2 ऐड करोगे तो 5 pi by 2 आएगा यहाँ पे. तो अगर ये 1 है तो दैट विल बी 0. अगेन sin 2 pi by 2 कितना आएगा आपका 1 आएगा. So this repeats after pi by 2. 1 0 -1 0 1 0 1 0 -1 0. Then comes 1 again 0 then -1. Okay. So after every pi. So if we take ये आपको प्रैक्टिस करने के बाद और ज़्यादा फिट होगा दिमाग में इंटरवल्स. सो हमने अगर एक कंप्लीट रिवॉल्यूशन लिया तो अगेन हम उसी पॉइंट पे आते हैं. हमने देखा कि इफ वी कंप्लीट 1 रिवॉल्यूशन मीन्स ये 0 है, फिर ये pi by 2 है, 3 pi by 2, then again this is pi, then this is 3 pi by 2, again this will be 2 pi, then this is 5 pi by 2, then this is 3 pi. तो आपने देखा तो ये डिफरेंस इज पाई है ना. देन अगेन 7 pi by 2. अगर हमने देखा तो 2 pi मतलब अगेन इट रिपीट्स आफ्टर 2 pi. 2 pi के बाद ये सबका डिफरेंस 2 pi आएगा. तो इसके बाद आपका आएगा 5 pi. यहाँ पे आपका आएगा कितना आएगा 2 pi plus pi by 2. 3 pi 4 pi plus pi by 2 means 9 pi by 2. So this goes on repeating after one circle. So if we complete one revolution from point, we again come back to the same point. यहाँ से भी अगर if this is a point, अगर हमने एक complete revolution किया तो 2 pi के बाद same angle आता है, repeat होता है ना. So trigonometric ratios भी उसी तरह से repeat होते हैं. Means if x increases by any integral multiple of y 2 pi, then you can say that sine of 2 pi x plus sine of 2n pi, sine of 2n pi, because 2 pi के बाद 2 pi into n कह सकते हैं आप इसको, plus x means x is any point here. x is any angle like this. So x is sine of 2 pi x and x is equal to आपका क्या आएगा sin x. 2 pi के बाद रिपीट होता है ये, तो sin x है ना. एंड cos को अभी हम ऐसे ही कह सकते हैं, cos of same repeats with cos ratio 2n pi या 2 pi into n means number of revolutions plus x is equal to cos x. एक के बाद भी आप एक रिवोल्यूशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी आप वहीं पे आओगे, है ना. दिस इज वन कंप्लीट रिवोल्यूशन फ्रॉम हियर. If this angle is x, then this is one complete revolution, again one complete revolution, again one complete, means 2 pi n plus x is equal to cos x. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है ना आपको? हेलो, समझ में आ रहा है? Okay, that's good. Okay, well, so now if sin x is equal to 0, sin x is equal to 0, then this, what will be the value of this x is equal to? If sin x is equal to 0, then here 2 pi nx, then here 2 pi x n plus x is equal to 0. Sin of 2 pi n plus x is equal to 0, है ना. If x is equal to 0, then कब आएगा ये? हमने देखा कि sin 0 0, sin pi by 2 1, sin pi again 0, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, है ना. तो अगर sin x 0 है तो क्या आएंगे इंटरवल्स आपके? sin x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then pi, then इसके बाद आएगा फिर 2 pi 0, 2 pi, उसके बाद आएगा 3 pi, then if that is 2n pi, है ना. 2n pi means when x is an integral multiple of pi, when x is an integral multiple of pi, then the sign ratio is 0. Sign ratio is 0. Now cos, you know, cos x is equal to cos 0 कितना आता है आपका? cos x 0 कब आएगा? cos x is equal to 0. cos का हमें पता है, cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. cos 0 is 1. then pi by 2 के बाद 3 pi by 2. then 5 pi by 2. means cos 0 कब आएगा? if x is an integral multiple of pi by 2, because then x is equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2 and so on, plus or minus, हाँ ये, because if angle is anti-clockwise then it is plus, if angle is clockwise को हम निगेटिव एंगल बोलते हैं ना, डायरेक्टेड एंगल्स में. इफ द एंगल इज क्लॉकवाइज देन द एंगल इज नेगेटिव, इफ द एंगल इज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज देन द मेजर ऑफ एंगल इज पॉजिटिव. तो इसको हम प्लस और माइनस कह सकते हैं. दिस इज प्लस एंड माइनस. ओके, बिकॉज इफ द एंगल इज इन क्लॉकवाइज देन द एंगल इज मेजर ऑफ एंगल इज नेगेटिव. दैट इज x vanishes when x is an integral multiple of pi by 2, है ना. cos x vanishes, sin x vanishes when x is an integral multiple of pi, and cos x vanishes when x is an integral multiple of pi by 2. x is an integral odd multiple ना. odd integral, sorry, pi, 1 pi, 3 pi, 5 pi, then 7 pi by 2. X is an odd integral, multiple of pi by 2. ठीक है? So this is what is regarding sin x and cos x. So तो हमने जो चार्ट किया था मेजर्स का, so now you can extend it. Okay, then signs of trigonometric function. Now you know, in coordinate system, here x is positive, first quadrant. This is called as first quadrant. This is second quadrant. This is third quadrant, and this is फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. नाउ हमें साइंस देखना है, पॉजिटिव कहाँ रहता है, कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में साइन रेशियो पॉजिटिव, cos, sin and related all, tan, cot, all we have to see. Suppose this is first quadrant. You know, in first quadrant x is also positive, y is also positive. In second quadrant x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant both are negative. That you already know, है ना? And in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative, because this is positive y, this is negative y, this is positive x and this is negative x. So आपको ये पता है फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में x is also positive, x कोऑर्डिनेट की बात कर रही हूँ मैं, x is positive, y is positive. In second quadrant x is negative because this is negative side of x-axis, and y is positive, y. In this quadrant both negative, x negative, y negative, and in fourth quadrant again right of the origin means x is positive, but below origin means y is negative. Okay, so now we'll see the ratios. Suppose this is point A, and unit circle. A unit circle is drawn. Okay, unit circle means again its radius is 1. Okay, and if this angle is x in first quadrant, first we'll see in first quadrant, and if A and B are the coordinates of x, then again, as we have already seen, this will be A and this will be B. Now this A is also positive and B is also positive. Okay, because this is the point is in first quadrant. Okay, then this here A will be also positive and B will be also positive. Now we'll see ratios. What will be sin x? Sin x will be opposite to hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1. B, sin x is equal to B, but B is positive, means sin is positive, sin ratio is positive. Now cos x, what is cos x? Cos x will be adjacent to hypotenuse, so it will be A. Again A is also positive because the point is in first quadrant, so sin is also positive, cos is also positive. Ultimately tan is also positive, as sin is positive, cos is positive, so ultimately tan will be positive. So in first quadrant, as sin is positive, cosec will be positive because cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin. So and in cos x, since cos x is positive, sec x will be positive, and since tan x is positive, cot x is also positive. Means in first quadrant all ratios are positive, all. Small में इसको A कहते हैं. Now what will happen? This point is in second quadrant. Suppose this point is in second quadrant. Now in this quadrant, this x coordinate will be negative, minus a, but y will be positive. Suppose this point is rotated to second quadrant. Again, since this is unit circle, this will be minus a and this will be b. And suppose this angle is x, because it is rotated to pi by 2. Then what will be ratio? Sin x will be in second quadrant. Now we are, so in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive. What will happen in second quadrant? In second quadrant, sin x will be opposite to hypotenuse. So sin x will be b. But since b is positive, sin x will be b. But as b is positive, because y coordinate is positive, then in second quadrant sin ratio is positive. Okay. What will be value of cos x? Cos x will be a, because it is adjacent to hypotenuse and it is a unit circle, so radius is 1. So what will be ratio of cos x? But a is negative, a is negative. So cos will be negative. Since sin is positive, cos is negative, tan will be negative, because tan is sin upon cos. Positive divided by negative is negative. So tan will be negative. Since sin is positive, cosec is positive. Since cos is positive, sec is negative. Cos negative है तो sec negative, tan negative है तो cot will also be negative. Means second quadrant में अगर हम sin cos and tan की बात करें तो sin ratio will be positive, all others will be negative. Cos and tan, sin है तो cosec तो आता ही. तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में all positive, सेकेंड में सिर्फ साइन इज पॉजिटिव, साइन एंड कोसेक, बट साइन है तो अल्टीमेटली कोसेक. नाउ इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट ए इज आल्सो नेगेटिव एंड बी इज आल्सो नेगेटिव. इन थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट ए इज आल्सो नेगेटिव एंड बी इज आल्सो नेगेटिव. सो इन थर्ड quadrant all these sin x will be also negative and cos x will be also negative, because since coordinates of this point will be my a and b both will be negative, because in third quadrant both coordinates are negative. So this sin will be also negative and cos will be also negative. Then ultimately tan will be positive, because two negative terms are divided. So negative upon negative is positive. So in third quadrant sin is negative, cos is negative, but tan is positive. So all sin third quadrant में tan is positive. So इसको tan. So sin तो cosec आएगा negative, cosec and sec will be negative and cot will be positive. Now what will be in fourth quadrant scenario? What will be scenario? Here A is positive and B is negative, right? So here in fourth quadrant B is negative, means sign will be negative, but since A is positive, what will happen in fourth quadrant? In fourth quadrant cos will be positive, because A is positive, x coordinate is positive. So in fourth quadrant cos is positive, ultimately negative divided by positive will be negative. So what will happen? Your sin is negative, cos is positive, so इसमें आपका cos positive आएगा. तो आपको इसको याद कैसे रखना है? all sin tan cos. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में all sin, all sin, then comes your tan and cos. A फर्स्ट लेटर से आपको याद रखना है, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड quadrant and fourth quadrant. So all A, साइन एस, टैन टी। तो इसको आपको बहुत सारे कुछ ये है, ऑल सिल्वर टी कप्स, इस तरह से भी आप याद रख सकते हो, या फिर इसको इस तरह से भी बोलते हैं आफ्टर स्कूल। अभी आप लोग 10th पास आउट होके 11th में जा रहे हैं, तो आपको ये भी आसान होगा, आफ्टर स्कूल टू कॉलेज। ओके, तो इस तरह से आप याद रख सकते हो, ASTC। So first quadrant में your all ratios will be positive. In second quadrant, sine will be positive. In third quadrant, tan will be positive. And in fourth quadrant, your cos will be positive. यहाँ तक आपको समझ में आया क्या? सबको सबको समझ में आ रहा है? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. Everyone is getting okay. Vedanti, hello. Is Vedanti there? Hello. One minute, give me a minute. Please have a break for 2 minutes. Well, so if we will tabulate this, let us tabulate this. First quadrant, second quadrant, your third quadrant, and your fourth quadrant. Your ratio is sin x, cos x, tan x, cosec x, sec x and cot x. So first quadrant में आपके सब पॉजिटिव, all will be positive. So first all. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में आपका साइन पॉजिटिव आएगा, कोसेक पॉजिटिव आएगा, बाकी ऑल साइन टैन कॉस ऑल सिल्वर टेकअप्स. थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में टैन पॉजिटिव आएगा और कॉट पॉजिटिव आएगा, ऑल अदर्स विल बी नेगेटिव. एंड व्हाट विल बी इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट? कॉस एंड सेक विल बी पॉजिटिव एंड अदर्स विल बी नेगेटिव. फिर इससे ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अच्छा, आपको रीजॉइन करना है 3 मिनट्स के बाद. एक जूम मीटिंग है ना 40 मिनट्स का, उसमें
नहीं अभी एक्टिवेट नहीं हुआ एक्चुअली.
हुआ नहीं, होता है नहीं तो. हाँ, इसका थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस लेना चाहिए इनका. यहाँ तक समझ में आया क्या आपको? सबको आ गया ना? सब कोई आया है? मैडम है. सो अगर हम रेशियोज की बात करेंगे, तो यू नो योर साइन जीरो कितना है? साइन जीरो 0. साइन पाई बाई 2 is 1. Sin pi 0. Sin 3 pi by 2 is -1. है ना? इधर बोर्ड मैं यहाँ से शुरू करते हैं. पहले हम फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट की बात करते हैं. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, साइन 0 is 0, cos 0 1, tan 0 0, sin upon cos, है ना? And your cot 0 is 1 upon tan, means that will be infinity. 1 upon 0 will be infinity. Your sec 0 is cos 1 upon cos, that will be 1 upon 1 will be 1, and cosec 0 will be infinity because 1 upon 0, है ना? Now sin pi by 2, because this is मेरे स्टूडेंट हो गया ना शुरू, 1 मिनट में तो स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा okay. So we'll start. So sine 0 is 0. What will be value of sine pi by 2? What is the value of sine pi by 2? What is sine pi by 2? Yes. Sine pi by 2, 1. What will be value of cos pi by 2? Cos pi by 2 will be 0. What will be value of tan pi by 2? Tan pi by 2? What is tan pi by 2? Not defined, means you can write as a infinity. Okay. What will be value of cot pi by 2? It's 1 upon infinity, means 0. 1 upon infinity means you can say it as a 0. What will be value of sec pi by 2? Since cot tan what will be value of sec pi by 2? 1. It is infinity because 1 upon cos. And what will be value of cosec pi by 2? It's 1 because it is 1 upon sine. Okay, very good. So in first quadrant, because first quadrant का limit क्या है? 0 to pi by 2, and again from 2 pi to 3 pi by what is it is 5 pi by 2 है ना, तो वो रिपीट ही होता है 2 pi के बाद. तो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट साइन इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम साइन रेशियो इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 0 to 1 है ना. सो इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट साइन रेशियो इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 0 to 1. ये आपको याद रखना ही है, लिख लो आप 0, note it down in your notebook. In first quadrant, cos decreases from 1 to 0. So it decreases from 1 to 0, है ना. It decreases from 1 to 0. साइन रेशियो इंक्रीज होता है, कॉस रेशियो डिक्रीज होता है. अपना tan it goes from 0 to infinity means increasing है. 0 to infinity means tan increases from 0 to infinity. cot का reverse decreases from infinity to 0. Decreases as you go from 0 to pi by 2. So decreases from infinity to 0. Sec 0 1 to infinity, ये भी तो इंक्रीज हो गया 1 to infinity. So sec increases from 1 to infinity. And what happens to your cosec? Cosec decreases from infinity to 1. Is it clear? समझ में आया क्या ये? यस, सबको वेरी गुड. Then what will be in second quadrant? What is the trend? What is in second quadrant? Second quadrant from pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi, you know. So pi by 2 to pi. So second quadrant में आपके ratios आएंगे. Range क्या आएगी? From pi by 2 to pi. So what will be in the second quadrant? You know sin pi by 2 कितना है आपका? Sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin pi is 0, है ना? What is the value of cos pi by 2? Your cos pi by 2 is 0 and your cos pi is, what is value of cos pi? Is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. What is the value of tan pi by 2? Tan pi by 2 is 1 sin upon cos. And what is value of tan pi? It's infinity, 0 upon 1, है ना? Minus infinity इसको कहना चाहिए because this is minus infinity, because this is 0 upon minus 1 है. So 0 divided by 1 को हम minus infinity कह सकते हैं. So obviously it's cosec pi by 2 क्या आएगा आपका? 1 ही आएगा, 1 upon sin. Sec pi by 2 क्या आएगा आपका? So it will be infinity 1 upon 0. Again your tan pi by 2. माइनस इन्फिनिटी कहना चाहिए इसको, माइनस इन्फिनिटी से. और कॉट पाई बाय 2 आपका कितना आएगा? कॉट पाई बाय 2 1 ही आएगा ये, है ना? सो व्हाट विल बी योर सेक कोसेक पाई विल बी इन्फिनिटी. योर सेक पाई will be 1 upon minus 1 means minus 1, है ना? And your cot pi will be 0. 1 upon infinity will be 0, है ना? एक मिनट. tan pi by 2, 1 minute. Sin upon cos, how will be tan come will be 1. 1 upon 0 will be infinity, na? 1 upon 0 will be infinity. So that this will be tan upon cot. 1 upon infinity will be 0. Here 0 upon minus 1. ये 0 आएगा, साइन अपन 0 अपॉन माइनस 1 में 0, है ना? और ये सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट है तो tan विल बी निगेटिव, ओनली साइन विल बी पॉजिटिव, अदर्स रेशियोज विल बी निगेटिव. सो कॉस ये तो ठीक है, माइनस इन्फिनिटी आएगा एंड कोसेक विल बी पॉजिटिव, साइन एंड कोसेक विल बी पॉजिटिव, है ना? अदर्स विल बी निगेटिव. सो ये 0 अपॉन माइनस 1 0 आ गया. सो ये 1 अपॉन 0, यस इन्फिनिटी आएगा. सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट है तो ये माइनस 1 आएगा और ये कॉट 1 अपॉन tan, तो दिस विल बी माइनस इन्फिनिटी बिकॉज दिस इज सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट. ओके, तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या है? साइन पाई बाय 2 1, sin pi 0, cos pi by 2 0, cos pi minus 1. So tan pi by 2 sin upon cos means 1 upon 0 will be minus infinity because this is second quadrant. In second quadrant sin is only positive. Cosec pi by 2 will be 1 upon sin 1. Sec pi by 2 will be 1 upon cos. This is again minus infinity because this is second quadrant. And cot will be 1 upon tan, that is 1 upon minus infinity will be 0. Similarly, sin pi is 0. Cos pi will be minus 1. Tan pi will be sin upon cos 0 upon minus 1 is 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. Cosec will be 1 upon 0 plus infinity because this is second quadrant. Sin and cosec ratios are positive. All others are negative. Sec will be 1 upon cos, 1 upon minus 1 will be minus 1. And cot will be 1 upon tan, that will be minus infinity because again it is a second quadrant. So सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट है तो सिर्फ साइन एंड कोसेक विल बी पॉजिटिव, अदर्स विल बी निगेटिव. तो सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या होता है? सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में क्या हो गया? ये 1 to 0 मीन्स डिक्रीज हो गया. साइन रेशियो आपका डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 1 to 0. ये 0 to -1 ये भी डिक्रीज हो गया 0 to -1 because 0 is -1. So decreases from 0 to -1. ओके, ठीक है. 0 to -, ये इंक्रीज हो गया बिकॉज दिस इज फ्रॉम माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 0. सो ये इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम माइनस इंफिनिटी टू 0. एंड व्हाट अबाउट योर कोसेक? ये भी इंक्रीज हो गया 1 to infinity plus infinity है. So your cosec ratio increases from 1 to infinity. What is about your sec ratio? Minus infinity to -1. So minus infinity is obviously less than -1. तो ये भी increase हो गया, increases from minus infinity to -1. and cot 0 to minus infinity कम हो गया. So decreases from 0 to minus infinity. समझ में आया आपको सबको? Is it clear? All sin, tan, cos. तो ये पॉजिटिव, साइन पॉजिटिव, ऑल पॉजिटिव, tan positive and cos positive. Getting it? Everyone getting ना? So अभी आप लोग बताओ थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का. What will be in third quadrant? थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का क्या है? From pi to it's 3 pi by 2, 270 degrees ना. 270 डिग्रीज को आप अगर पाई बाय 180 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो दैट विल बी 3 पाई बाय 2. सो दिस इज 3 पाई बाय 2. सो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट का आपका पाई टू पाई बाय 2. तो पाई यहाँ पे आएगी, ये साइन पाई विल बी 0, कॉस पाई विल बी -1, tan पाई विल बी 0. ये सब रेशियो यहाँ आएंगे. कोसेक पाई विल बी infinity sec pi will be -1, 1 upon cos. Cot pi will be -infinity. Okay. Now what about this here? 3 pi by 2. What will be value of sin 3 pi by 2? यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे कितना आता है? sin 3 pi by 2 कितना आएगा यहाँ? हमने देखा है 0, 1, 0 कितना आएगा? What will be sin 3 pi by 2? कितना आएगा sin 3 pi by 2? What is the value of sin pi by 2? 3 pi by 2, sorry. sin 3 pi by 2 कितना आएगा? हमने देखा ना, कितना आएगा? sin pi by 2. What is the value of sin pi by 2? sin 0 हमने देखा 0. sin pi by 2 1. अगेन sin pi by 2 के मल्टीपल से हम करेंगे तो क्या होता है? 0. sin 3 pi by 2 it's -1. अगेन हम इसमें pi by 2 ऐड कर देते हैं तो 2 pi will be 0. अगेन सेम रिपीटेशन, 2 pi plus pi by 2 means 5 pi by 2. तो ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में तो ये रहते हैं ना साइन के वैल्यूज. तो व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ sin 3 pi by 2? इट्स -1 है ना. एंड व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ cos pi by 2? व्हाट इज द वेरिएशन इन वैल्यू ऑफ cos? cos 0 आपका 1. cos pi by 2 कितना आता है? 0. cos pi -1 and cos 3 pi by 2 0. अगेन cos 2 pi रिपीट, सेम आएंगे ये, है ना, सेम आएंगे ये. तो बताइए व्हाट विल बी वैल्यू ऑफ sin 3 pi by 2 is -1 है ना. sin because this is again third quadrant, so only cos will be positive. So cos 3 pi by 2 कितना आएगा आपका? tan will be positive. cos 3 pi by 2 will be 0 है ना. cos 3 pi by 2 will be 0 and your tan pi by 2 will be, it is plus infinity because this is third quadrant. In third quadrant tan ratio is positive, all sin tan cos. So third quadrant में आपका tan positive है, इसलिए tan pi by 2 will be plus infinity. So again sin is -1, so your cosec will be also -1. cosec 3 pi by 2. Okay, ये तो pi है, pi and pi by 2. So cosec 3 pi by 2 कितना आएगा आपका? 1 upon sin, तो -1 ही आएगा, -1 divided by 1. sec कितना आएगा आपका? 1 upon 0. sec 3 pi by 2 कितना आएगा? What is the value of sec 3 pi by 2? What will be value of sec 3 pi by 2? Tell me, आप बात भी कर सकते हो. हेलो हेलो is it plus infinity or minus infinity? It's infinity because this is 1 upon 0. It is minus infinity because this is third quadrant. Only tan ratio will be positive. आपको ये ध्यान में रखना ही है. This is third quadrant, so only tan and cot will be positive. All others will be negative. Okay, so this 3 pi by 2 will be minus infinity. And what will be your cot 3 pi by 2? It's प्लस जीरो, ये तो जीरो ही आएगा, 1/∞ इज जीरो, है ना। तो ट्रेन क्या हो गया आपका, व्हाट हैपेंस टू साइन रेशियो फ्रॉम पाई टू 3 पाई बाय 2, बताइए, यू कैन स्पीक। क्या हो गया यही, as we move from pi to 3 pi by 2, the ratio of sine values, sine ratio, is it increasing or decreasing? It is decreasing from 0 to -1. So sine is from 0 to -1. This is increases cos, your cos is increasing from -1 to 0. Your tan is increasing from 0 to infinity. Your cosec is decreasing from, cosec will be negative, no? This is minus infinity. Cosec will be minus infinity, I'm sorry, because this is third quadrant. So it is minus, it is increasing, cosec is also increasing. This is your decreasing, -1 to -infinity. So sec is decreasing and this is increasing, है ना। So your three ratios means cos, tan and cosec, this will increase. And what is here about cot? Cot decrease, sorry, cot will be negative, cot is positive because this is third quadrant, na, decreasing. So three ratios, cos, tan and cosec will increase and sine, sec and cot will decrease, है ना। Cot will be positive here because this is third quadrant. Is it clear? Hello? Hello? So now fourth quadrant. Now your fourth quadrant. Tell me about fourth quadrant. Now you will tell me. Okay. So for fourth quadrant, this is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. 2 pi. This is, now you can say this as a 2 pi. Okay. So 3 pi by 2 so this is 3 pi by 2. You already know 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is -1. Cos 3 pi by 2 is 0. Tan 3 pi by 2 is plus infinity. Cosec 3 pi by 2 is -1. Sec 3 pi by 2 is minus infinity. And your cot 3 pi by 2 is 1/tan means 0, है ना। So ये 0 के जो है ना सेम आएंगे आपके, 2 पाई के तो सेम आएंगे, 0 और 2 पाई repeats after 2 pi. So what will be your sine 2 pi? Sine 2 pi will be 0. Cos 2 pi will be 1, है ना। Fourth quadrant है, cos will be positive. Tan 2 pi will be sine upon cos 0. 0/1 will be 0. Now cosec 2 pi will be, is it plus infinity or minus infinity? Cosec 2 pi will be plus infinity or minus infinity? because it is 1 upon sine na, 1 upon sine means 1 upon 0 to infinity आएगा. It is minus infinity because this is fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant only cos ratio is positive, cos and sec. So this is minus infinity. What will be your sec 2 pi? It is 1 upon cos. तो ये 1 ही आएगा आपका, है ना? And what will be your cot 2 pi? Cot 2 pi क्या आएगा? Tan 2 pi upon. Is it plus infinity or minus infinity? Is it plus or minus? Cot 1 upon 0 तो ठीक है, infinity है, but हमें sign देखना है. It is again minus infinity because in the fourth quadrant only cos ratio is positive, cos and ultimately sec. All others are negative, so it is minus infinity. Okay, so tell me the trend. What is trend? Sine ratio को क्या हुआ? It's -1 to 0. So increases from -1 to 0. What about your cos ratio? Cos is also increasing. Increases from 0 to 1. 0 to 1 and ये -1 to 0. So आपका sin is increasing, cos is increasing. What about your tan? Sorry, this tan is negative, not plus infinity because this is fourth quadrant. Really sorry. So your tan is decreasing, minus infinity. Sorry, increasing. Tan is also increasing. Increases from minus infinity to 0. This is minus infinity. Really sorry because this is fourth quadrant. Cosec is -1 to minus infinity. Means decreasing. -1 to minus infinity. Means decreases from -1 to minus infinity. What about your sec? Minus infinity to 1. Sorry, your sec will not be minus infinity. It is infinity. Fourth quadrant है ना? Fourth quadrant के लिए हमें वो copy किए ना मैंने इसलिए. Sec is infinity. So infinity to 1. So it is decreasing from minus infinity to 1. For fourth quadrant, you have to take cos and sec positive. And what about your cot? It's 0 to minus infinity, means this is also decreasing. Decreases from 0 to minus infinity. Is it clear? आपके समझ में आया ये? So we'll stop today here only. So we'll have graphs and range domain tomorrow, and then we'll have exercise. Okay, ये समझ में आया ना आपको? Just revise this at home. Please revise these topics, and if you have any difficulty, please ask me. Okay? Chalo. Bye, beta. Bye. Have a nice time. Bye.